How to send bulk emails with Webmail in cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your cPanel right here. And once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and scroll down until you came across the email category. From here, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the email accounts. Once inside the email account, you want to click on check email. And from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the open button. It will then go ahead and take you to this page right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on compose. And from here, you can now go ahead and create your email. The only thing that you need to do is to go ahead and navigate through the to subject right here. And inside, you can just go ahead and select all of the emails that you want to put on your bulk email. You can go ahead and put multiple emails right here if you want to. Go ahead and click on send and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.